Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on South Camp Road and we're heading towards Camp Road. We just passed over Tower Street and we're in the central Kingston area. We're actually driving out to the Raytown area now. At the intersection straight ahead, if we go straight across, we stay on South Camp Road. If we turn left, we go on to East Queen Street, and that takes us back to Parade. If we turn right, that takes us onto Victoria Avenue, and that will take us into Windward Road, and then eventually lead us to the airport. On the left is a abandoned building now, but it used to be a theater. It's a huge building, huge land area. On the right is Tools Hardware, and then this building with the blue and the pink, that's the head office for the postal service, and it's also the central sorting office for the mail that comes into Jamaica. So this mail comes from overseas. This is where it would come to and get sorted and then sent to the different post office branches in Jamaica. Okay, at this intersection now we turn left, we'll go on to North Street. North Street is famous because or popular because it is where the Gleaner Company of Jamaica is located. And the Gleaner is the newspaper in Jamaica. It has a larger circulation and it's also the oldest newspaper in Jamaica. Also on North Street is two very prominent high schools, St. George's College and Kingston College. Alright, straight ahead now where you see those lights, that's Sabina Park. We're staying on South Camp Road, and straight ahead is Sabina Park, and that's a very famous cricket grounds in Jamaica.